Hey, what's up guys? So this is a follow-up video of Evolution X ROM for Redmi Note 8. This time the version we are using is 9.4. I have been using this build actually for 3 or 4 days now. It's working pretty well and there are a few things new on this build and also there are a few things missing on this build. So we will check what we are getting with this ROM. So the device is booted up. Let's check what we are getting with this ROM. It's unlocked. First of all, we will check our Android version and security patch level. So about device, Android 14. So as you can see, Android 14 9.4 is Evolution X version. Security patch level is September 5, 2024. And as you can see, the kernel and other things you can see here. So in terms of the UI changes, there is nothing going on. The UI is still same as the old UI. And there are a few things new on this build. First of all, maybe I did not check properly in last build, but as I have noticed now, let me show you. So first of all, if you go to Evolver section, theme section, and boot animation, so you can change boot animation. The default boot animation, you all know this one, and I change it to the Google one. So you can change. There are a few more actually, like Resurrection Remix, and also you can put custom boot animation. It's a nice touch. All kinds of UI changes are available. As you can see here, pretty good actually. And if you go to miscellaneous section, we also got component spoofing, so we can spoof pixel props and also like Google Photos spoof for unlimited storage, so that is also available. So those things are available here, nothing going on. And in terms of UI, it's pretty much same. In terms of network, internet and other things, those things are working perfectly fine, no issue. And in the battery section, actually, the battery backup is pretty good. But there is one thing missing, which is current limit. So usually we can do current limit on Evolution X ROM, like how much current you want, 1 amp or 2 amp or more than that. But usually I keep it on 500 milliamp. When I charge at night, I just plug it in and with 500 milliamp and it charges slowly. So that option is now gone, but we do have schedule charging. So if you go to charging control, you can change it like scheduling, or also you can limit the charging. So those things are available, but the current limit is gone. In terms of other things like sound, vibration and those things, working perfectly fine, no issue. And display section, there is nothing new. As you can see here, everything is working. Double tap to work, double tap to sleep, all those things are working, no issue. And also if you like AOD is also working if you want that. Also, if you want to use IOD, you have to go to display section, lock screen, and you can see they always show time info. So if you open that, and as you can see here, you can check the IOD. I don't really like IOD on this kind of devices because it uses a lot of battery. And going back, in the security and privacy section, we do have both face and fingerprint unlock, and both of them works perfectly fine, no issue. It's pretty fast. But there is a issue which is still not fixed, is when you keep your device for some time, it takes time to unlock the device, like 2 to 3 seconds. The problem is still here actually. I have been seeing this problem with few other ROMs. Maybe they are using same build of AOSP ROM, so the issue is with the AOSP ROM and they are changing it. So because of that, maybe it is having this issue. Maybe in future build it will be fixed. Now, in terms of Xiaomi parts option, it is also available. If you want to do anything here, those things are available. And system section, as you can see, nothing much actually in terms of UI. Everything is pretty much similar. And the camera is still available. The MIUI camera is still working perfectly fine, no issue. I did try everything actually. And I did install Gcam, which is also working. No issue with that. So camera is working, no issue. And if you try safety net is there, so you can use bank application without any kind of issues. As you can see, pass. And if you go to Google certification, so if I go to Google Play Protect certification setting, about, so the Google Play Protect certification is also there. So in terms of usability, the ROM is usable. You can use any application here, no issue. And one more feature available this time now, if you press and hold this, you can like use circle to search. Is pretty slow to open, as you can see here. Now it is available on my Samsung Galaxy S22, but it is now available with this ROM. It's kind of really good feature. Actually, I really use this feature a lot, but it's pretty slow on this ROM, but works flawlessly, as you can see here. If you want to use this feature, you have to install Google Gemini application, and also have to update your Google application. After that, it will work actually. And rather than that, there is nothing much. In terms of gaming is still sluggish. It's not yet fixed. You can do gaming, but it's not really good for gaming anymore. If you are looking for a gaming ROM, I think you should not install Android 14 based ROM. Go with Android 13, 12 or 11. Those will be much better in terms of gaming. But in terms of usability, the ROM is pretty usable. No issue, no lag or anything like that. It's pretty fast. Everything seems to be working perfectly fine, no issue. The ROM link will be in the description below. It is a GApps build, so no need to flush any kind of GApps. If you are using Evolution X version 9.3, you can do dirty flush. But still, I don't recommend dirty flush because sometimes you might get more issues with the ROM if you do dirty flush. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.